What's up with you guys? It's me, and Catherine, your wanderlust traveler. And now, wala muna tayong travel video. Last video ko is a travel video. And ngayon naman, it's a sit-down video. Don't worry guys, marami tayong travel videos coming up soon. But ngayon, gusto ko lang i-share sa inyo yung experience ko sa pagpapalipad ng drone. I know in my last video with my Spark review, I told you that I'm gonna be having a part 2 of that while I share with you my experience in flying the drone for the first time. At ito na nga yun guys. It's a combination of sit-down videos, and I'll put some clips and insert some clips during the experience of flying the drone. So yeah, let's get started!
Learning how to use her drone. Hanggang ganyan lang po muna.
So, okay guys, let me share first my experience in flying the drone. Yung gusto ko lang i-share sa inyo yung first time ko talagang magpalipad ng drone. Kasi nga, kung titignan mo sa mga YouTube channel or sa mga videos, parang ang dali lang. Sobrang dali magpalipad. But nung nilipad ko na siya, guys, oh my God, mixed emotion. Like, yung kaba, yung saya, yung takot, halo-halo na. First is that, the reason is I'm really nervous during flying a drone here in Thailand, because Thailand is a little bit strict for people who are flying a drone. Some places are prohibited and some places are okay. But for first-timer like me, medyo kabado. Kasi nga, kabado? Tama ba? Medyo nininervyos. Kasi nga, what if I hit someone? Or what if I lost the drone? Or what if I broke the drone? Yung mga ganong bagay. So, ayun guys, yung experience ko, pumunta kami sa Kolar, nagpalipad ako ng drone, kasama ko yung friend ko. And then, the first thing na gusto ko sanang gawin is i-calibrate yung drone. As I've watched and searched in YouTube channel, everywhere you go, if you are like, tina-travel mo yung drone, you need to calibrate the drone. And then, hindi ko siya na-calibrate kasi nga, nakalimutan ko guys kung saan i-calibrate yung drone. Yung natataranta na ako, well, we're not hurrying or we're not running out of time or hindi namin hinahabol yung oras. Chill lang kami doon. Pero parang, okay, bahala na. Huwag ko nang i-calibrate yung drone. So, ayun guys. So, and the second part is that ang hirap niyang i-connect. Medyo nalilito pa ako. It takes time to connect the remote and the Spark. Kasi it takes us like 1 minute. Hindi siya yung pag-on mo, connect agad. Hindi. Parang, I'm not sure if you also experience this one or ako lang. Pero nahihirapan akong i-connect yung phone ko sa remote, tas remote sa drone. Then the third part is that, yung pagpapalipad ko na guys. It is so freaking crazy. Like, super duper crazy. Yung feeling mo, ang dali lang niya, pero yung sa totoo, at yung sa labas ka na talaga, yung in a real situation, ang hirap niya guys. Like, saan ba yung left? Saan yung right? Saan yung up and down? Oh my God, nakalimutan ko na ang mga directions. So, oh, by the way, I'll get the remote. So, okay guys, ito yung remote. Ayan. Ayan yung remote, guys. So, I'm using a remote flying my drone. Pwede naman siya sa phone, but I tried to, like, practice using the remote. First thing na, ko talaga sa pagpapalipad na, yung remote control. Actually, guys, nagpalipad na ako dati, but it's not, like, same as when we went to the island, to Kolang Island. I just flew my drone outside our building in like a steady position And then after that, like, hindi ko na siya pinalipad kasi nga hinihintay ko yung registration ng drone. So, ito yun guys. Yan, nalilito ako kung saan ang up and down, turn, rock, ay, yung mga ganun. So, ang hirap guys kasi tinignan ko ulit siya sa aking cellphone, yung sa phone ko, sa remote control settings kung saan. So, and then I just realized that this is the up and then going down and then left and right. And then it's really hard, especially if you're trying to fly the drone. You're trying to fly the drone, tapos titingin mo pa yung drone, tapos gusto mo siyang tingnan sa phone mo. Ang hirap! Siguro masasanay lang ako, magpa-practice pa ako. And then, yeah. So, my solution is, maybe I'll just put some names in my remote control para hindi ko malimutan. Like, ito yung up and down and turn side and left side, whatever. So, yun yung pinakaunang challenge ko nung pinalipad ko na yung drone. The next difficulty that I faced was that I don't know where I will fly my drone kasi natatakot akong mabangga siya at natatakot din akong makabangga ng tao. So, I'm not the third one, guys. If you're a drone owner, let me know in the comment section below. First time dito, first time. Huwag niyo ko i-judge. Natatakot kasi ako kung ilalayo ko ng sobrang-sobra yung drone, baka mawala siya ng connection sa remote control ko. Or baka mag-notify siya sa phone ko. Let me know, guys. Hindi ko alam. So, ayun, guys. And then, yes, my hands are really shaking. Kasi nga, natatakot ako. And then, ito pa guys, first time kong nabangga yung drone sa coconut tree. Mabuti na lang, sa coconut tree siya bumangga at hindi sa tao. Like, nakakaloka. And then, yeah. And then, my friend also tried flying the drone. She liked it, but I feel so nervous about it. And then, we went to the viewpoint of that island. We tried to fly the drone. And then, it's so crazy kasi nga muntik nang maaksidente yung kaibigan ko. I just don't know what came up to her. Like, malapit na siyang malobat yung drone. So, we try to land. Ito pa guys, ito pa yung problema ko. I'm not sure what is wrong about it. Kasi tinatry ko siyang yung return home. Tinatry ko siya. But it doesn't return to the place where it flew from. Like, hindi siya bumabalik dun sa pinagliparan niya. Hindi ko alam kung kailangan ko pang iset yung return home or automatic na yun. Let me know, guys. Kasi hindi ko talaga alam. And then, ayun nga, we're trying, malalobot na yung drone at mahuhulog na siya dun sa may bangil. So, I need to sinlide ko yung return home, but it doesn't return to the position where it should be. Hindi ko alam bakit. So, ayun, I'm trying to fly manually the drone back to the safe landing. But, kasi nga natataranta ako kung saan ang left and right. So, imbis na papuntahin ko yung drone sa akin, pinapunta ko yung drone opposite towards me na malapit na siyang mahulog sa bangin. And because of my friend, no, not because of my friend, I mean, yung friend ko, hinabol niya yung drone, yung Spark drone. Hindi na siya ganoon kataas, mga shoulder level ko na siya. Hinahabol niya, tapos she tried to grab the drone while the propellers are spinning. At natamaan siya sa kamay. Guys, natamaan siya sa kamay. Buti na lang, hindi siya nasugatan. Nakakaloka. My God. Mawala na yung drone. Mawasak na yung drone. Huwag ka lang masaktan, Kifty. Kung nanonood ka man ito. Mas mahalaga ang buhay mo kaysa drone. And then, ayun na nga, guys. So, that's my experience. So, I'll show you some clips after this, the experience of me flying drone and some footage, hindi siya ganoon kadami. Kasi ang dali lang talaga niyang malobat.
Kaya mo yan.
Okay na?
Yes. Lana. There it is. Ako, bibini-video ako siya. Bibidyoan mo din ako. Taas. Sige pa. Makikita mo naman kung gano'n na siya kataas eh. Hi, Ann. Ang kanyang drone. Forward mo yung isa, right? Sige, saan direction mo siya gustong i-forward? Ayan. There. Forward, girl.
Forward. Papunta siya dito.
Oo nga, forward pa din dito.
Forward pa.
Oo, kasi yun yung direction niya.
So, yeah, I hope you like this part 2 experience of flying the drone for the first time. And hopefully, the next time, guys, maganda na yung makakuha ko. So, yeah, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. A lot of travel videos coming soon, especially the Philippines. And, yeah, see you soon. Bye!
Thank you.